Hi everyone, this is just a little sneak peek video. Instead of spending a ton of money on high-end seasonings, you can make them right at home. I have one that I call my house seasoning that I just think every house should have, okay? And this is one, I haven't used it on my lives yet because I was gonna show you guys how to make it. I take a cup. I use Himalayan salt, but you can use sea salt or whatever type of salt you like. I use a cup of salt, and I put this on, you'll see me using it on my lives. I put this on so much, I mean so much. Then I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of onion powder. A 1/4 cup of garlic powder, a 1/4 cup, well, I'm sorry, an 1/8 of a cup of parsley. This is just dried parsley leaves, about an 1/8 of a cup. And then I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of pepper. Ground pepper, and there again you could use whatever type of pepper you like. Okay, then I have it in just a little Tupperware type bowl, and then I just mix it up. Shake, shake, shake. I was singing that yesterday on live. Shake your booty. Okay, mix it up, and I got one little lump of salt there. Let me break that up. Mix it up. Make sure you get a good mix on it. And then I will take it. And let me see if I can do this. And pour it into a couple of jars. And there's one jar of the house seasoning. And here's another jar, because this is like a super gift you can give when you're making up a basket for someone, or you want to just give them a little gift. I have a little more that I need to put in this one. And you can tie a ribbon around it, and then you can keep one beside your stove, and you've got your own special house seasoning. So simple, but so great. You can use it on meat, in meatloafs, on chicken, anything, any type of meat takes this seasoning so well, and you're gonna see me use it in my lives, but I wanted you to know how to make it first. Okay guys, that's how you do it.